Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, SHC on a short. So yesterday, SHC, I guess I got hammered with some kind of a $346 million, I don't know if it's a lawsuit or a penalty. This is a bio company, and it just got hammered down from 15 down to $10. So I knew this is one to watch today to see if we're going to have any sort of continuation on the way down. Because at this point right here, this is an all-time low. So there's nothing holding this up, okay, in terms of chart support. And so I watched this in the pre-market. It was getting a little bit weak. And when it took out 9 is when I pounced on it. Now, some might say, well, why didn't you take it right off the bat? You never know with these things, okay? It could have had a bit of a bounce and all that. But I waited till it took out 9, and man, it just went all the way down to just underneath 8. Now that's a great percentage move, and no, I didn't cover my position all the way down here, but it just turned into just a great, fairly gentle trade because this was moving down with hardly any sort of a move up. It's had a little pop now, but anyway, that is what was it turned out to be a great trade. Knowing that it had knowing what it did yesterday, and then following to see whether or not it would have some sort of capitulation again today. All right, guys, I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.